Let's do a double cleanse of the face together, but we're going to do it the right way so your skin doesn't have any sensitivity issues, redness, peeling, or breakouts. Double cleansing is a Korean skincare method that promotes healthy, clear skin, but it also can be very irritating. And I wanted to show you how I do it in a way that does not irritate rosacea. I have a problem with rosacea, but I also have a major problem with breakouts. And this Korean method of washing your face is normally with the two steps: an oil-based cleanser is the first one, or a balm, and then the second one is going to be a water-based cleanser. And when you have super sensitive skin or rosacea, or if you're doing this often, if you have a lot of product on your face, sunscreen, anything else like that that just built up, and you really want to get that super thorough cleanse at the end of the day, you may really need to use something like a balm to wash everything off. But the problem is, with someone like me who has acne, rosacea, super sensitive skin, I can't use those products. They have oils. As I mentioned, step one is normally an oil base, but I was really excited when Malaysia came out with their own cleansing balm. It has only 6 ingredients. One of the ingredients is a low amount of salicylic acid, which is really wonderful to help keep your skin clear and fresh, and it's very exfoliating. The second ingredient, the second product I'm going to be using is Aquanol. That's something I use to wash my face every single morning. It's super gentle and hydrating. It has glycerin. It still cleans your face really well, but it doesn't leave it dry. So anything that could possibly be harsh or irritating in step one, which really doesn't happen with this product, but just in case, step 2 is going to be very soothing. So this is really the best method I've come up with to be able to be one of those people that gets to do a double cleanse. For years I was so sad to see so many people be able to use those balms, and I wanted to use them so badly, but I wasn't one of those lucky people that can use them because of my breakouts. So as you can see, this is a clearish, maybe like a slight yellow tint, gel-like product, and I used a little more than normal. I usually use probably the amount of just like this very part of my pinky, like the tiniest amount. You just put this directly on your skin with no water. Just put it on your face dry. Well, I put on so much additional product this time, but that's all right. It's so wonderful. It feels so good because I had probably like 3 layers of sunscreen on my skin, and I have the sunscreen all the way to this part of my face, so I'm going to just make sure I massage that in really nicely. And the texture of this is relatively smooth. I feel like a little bit of give. It's very, very tiny. There's no exfoliating beads or anything like that in this. Yes, it is removing everything. I can feel all the makeup being removed from my skin. And I just want to make sure I get that little bit between my eyes and the corner of my nose, on top of my nose, underneath my nose, and all around my mouth. You can go right underneath your eyes, but don't rub this over your eyelashes because it has a tiny bit of salicylic acid in it. I think it has 0.5%. I don't remember. It's not 2%, I don't think, but still it has an exfoliating property in it. So I don't really want that on my lashes. I'm going to use a cleanser after to remove any type of eye makeup. And even though this is a cleansing balm, you can leave it on your skin for 5 minutes to use it as an exfoliating mask if you'd like. But I'm just going to use this as a balm today and not as a wet mask that I rinse off after 5 minutes. And you can just wash that off with water if you want, but I'm going to use this warm cloth to remove the product and all the makeup. There's something really satisfying about seeing all the makeup on the cotton. So while my skin is a little bit damp, I'm going to go in with my second cleanse, and this is the water-based cleanser. This cleanser can definitely go on the eyelashes and the eyelids. I love this Uncle Fester look. It's just so funny and satisfying to rub the eye makeup off at the end of the day. I'm going to reuse my cotton with some warm water to remove that cleanser. I have a little bit of a gray eye situation happening here. My mascara is so good, it just won't budge. So I'm going to use some Bioderma to remove the excess eye makeup that I have around my eyes. Just want to make sure everything is gently cleansed and dried because I'm going to follow up with my skincare. But as you can see, my skin is not irritated. It feels so clean and healthy. I just love it. It's so glowy. This is something I really like to do about twice a week and keep it really simple so I'm not irritating my skin. But I think I can do it every other day if I really, really wanted to. But since the autumn and then the winter is coming up, I think I'm going to just keep it to the twice a week so I'm not adding any extra over cleansing to my face. But even so, it's such a gentle way to double cleanse your face. So, you know, go with whatever feels right for you. If you notice your skin starts to get a little irritated, then just do it a little less. But, you know, definitely try twice a week. See if it really helps keep your skin clear and healthy and prepped for your next step, which is your skincare routine.